Yahoo! Good morning, guys. So I am currently in Nueva Ecija on the way to Pangasinan. So this is my continuation from my trip from Borongan to Manila, and then now to Pangasinan. Actually, I'm doing a north loop. So after Pangasinan, I'll be going to Apare, and then hopefully to Santa Ana, Cagayan. Alright. Ay, pagod na tayo. And I'm sleepy. Dito tayo sa Kamiling Tarlac. I think malapit na tayo sa Pangasinan. So yeah, pahinga muna for 30 minutes and then continue. Alright. What a view. Finally made it. Woohoo! Yan yung alon. Well, maliit pero malinis. But the good thing is, as you can see, this is a point break. So you know, so it's breaking further out. Good morning. Alright, so pangalawang araw natin dito. It looks like na lumiit yung alon. Lalong nawala yung alon. Alright, so antayin natin yung low tide around noon. And then try natin mag-surf. And then after lunch, I'll continue my journey. But for now, let's enjoy the view. At syempre, my coffee. Alright. So we are ready to leave. Unfortunately, hindi tayo nakasurf dito. Kasi maliit yung alon, pang longboard. Tsaka masyadong high tide kanina. Actually, it's picking up now. Kaso, hindi siya ganun kalaki. So, balik tayo dito. Hopefully next week. After my north loop. Oh no, mukhang uulan pa. easy. Sige, sige. Alright, napakatirik ng daan ito, napakatarik. Para makaya. Come on. Sana makaya. Help the Lord. Help the Lord. Come on, KG1, you can do it. You can do it. Ah. Alright. Oh. Kinabahan tayo dun ah. Grabe. Oh. Sobrang tarik ng daan. Pababa, pakyat. Oh, ito. Guys. Pagi na. Salamat. Buti nakuha nyo. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Sige.
Saan nag-stop siya kanina?
Nag-internet ako doon sa baba, sa may kapihan. Sige.
Kami doon sa may taas.
Ah, okay. Sige, sige.
Sige sir.
Thank you, thank you. Ingat, ingat tayo. Alright guys, so nahulog yung tumbler ko. Buti na lang napulot ng nakilala nating mga motocamper din. They are from Tarlac. So maraming salamat sa kanila. Yeah, this is a scenic road. So yung climate dito ay malamig. Parang bagyo. Actually kagabi sobra yung lamig. Buti na lang may dala tayong sleeping bag. Alright, so I still have 7 hours to go. Alright, I finally made it to Tuguegarao just in time for dinner. So kasama uli natin si Sky. Bro,
Sky version.
sorry, Ski. Nalilito ako.
Okay lang.
Salamat
Same
ulit bro
spelling
ha.
pa din.
So, Indian food naman tayo kasi na-miss natin yung Indian food. Yan. Alright, thank you kay Ski. Alright, good morning guys. Pugi talaga ng Himalaya no. So yun yung tropa natin na si Ski. Dito palagi tayo nakatira sa kanya pag napapadpad tayo ng Tuguegarao. So may bago siyang motor which is Himalayan. Napaka-astig. Tingnan mo. Alright, one day. Finally made it to Apare. Alright. So nakabalik na naman ako dito kay Chaps.
Apare, welcome Kuya Abdel.
Alright, thank you. By the way, kasama pala natin yung mga Apare boys. So maraming salamat sa kanila na in-accommodate ulit tayo. At sinamahan pa tayo dito sa eastern part ng Cagayan. Alright, so first stop ay maliit yung alon. Although pwedeng laruin, pero we will check other spots, baka mas malaki. Pero ang ganda ng island na to. Biglang drop oh. Oh. after spending a few days here in Apare, I will head down towards the west. So balikan natin yung kaliwang alon of the west coast. Kasi when I first went there, that was my first stop. It was small, so it wasn't working. And now the forecast looks promising. Alright, we're still a long way to go. It says 7 hours, almost 8 hours more.